From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Snow has made a late start, but it's really been a great start up in our ski areas. 12 fresh inches of snow to talk about at Bogus Basin. The time lapse from today, you can see over the valley times of clouds and times of sunshine through the day today. Tomorrow will be very similar, and we may even get some showers as well as the wind. I think that'll be the big difference tomorrow, is that the wind will really kick into gear. So you're seeing some of those scattered showers moving through the lower end of the Treasure Valley up into the west central mountains. And because our temperatures are so mild right now, snow level is about 5,000 feet, and it will rise tomorrow afternoon. Zooming out to take a look at the bigger picture, an atmospheric river has set up for us. This is primo conditions, really primo weather pattern for us, as we have this fire hose of moisture that's headed in out of the southwest and headed into our mountain locations. And that's what set us up nicely through the last 24 to 48 hours. And it will continue to pump that stream of moisture in our direction for the next 24 hours. Some very cold air to follow, though. As you can see, these are kind of polka dotty clouds. That's indicative of a much colder air mass that will eventually settle in for us. For now, though, I showed you this before, winter storm warning, not just for heavy amounts of snow through our mountain regions, but also some blowing and drifting snow with wind expected, and a wind advisory through early Tuesday morning for gusts that could get up to 50 miles per hour, perhaps even stronger in those areas. So running through Futurecast tomorrow, we keep the scattered snow showers going in our mountain locations, but again, as those temperatures become a little more mild into the afternoon, the snow level may go up to about 5,500 feet. Times of some scattered rain showers for the valley locations. It's not a washout of the day. This is light precipitation as we get a lot of that rain shadow effect from the Owyhee Mountains. But again, snow piling up in our mountain locations as we head through the day tomorrow, and that continues to be the case as our cold front approaches us on Tuesday. The precipitation may even pick up a bit, and our temperatures will be much colder Tuesday through the rest of the week. So this is winter weather at its best arriving for us this week. Tomorrow, highs again quite mild, especially down through valley locations, 40s, even up to 50 degrees expected for Twin Falls. Then we head up into the mountain locations, scattered snow showers, temperatures in the low to mid 30s. And then up into McCall, you see why it changes over to rain for Cascade and Donnelly as well. Maybe more like wet snow because the temperatures top out in the upper 30s. For valley locations, expect that wind and also another mild day of around 50 degrees for highs tomorrow. And then that's it as the cold really settles in for us. The wind forecast for tomorrow, you're looking at gust potential for the Boise area, could get up to around 40 miles per hour at times. So it is a blustery day, but again with mild temperatures. So what does the rest of the week look like? We have some rain showers that are coming in for us, but then the cold settles in, as I mentioned before. And once the cold air is here, if you can couple that with precipitation, you know what that means. Snow down to the valley floors. I think we've got another good shot at possible accumulating snow for the Treasure Valley locations on Thursday. Could be an inch or two. So maybe the sled really is on the Christmas list. No accumulation for the valley tomorrow. Then we head into Tuesday, maybe minor amounts on grassy surfaces and vegetation. And as I mentioned, into Thursday, another shot at some accumulating snow for the valley. These numbers might be high, but an inch or two possible. And the cold really sets us up for that potential. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. A lot to talk about, a lot going on. Our driest days Wednesday and Friday, but look at those cold temperatures, freezing highs and teens for lows. Wow. So yeah, winter is coming. Game of Thrones, I'm never going to let go of it. Ooh. Game of Thrones, winter is coming.
Atmospheric river and
Yes.
fire hose of moisture.
Yes.
That was the name of my high school rock band.
I knew that. You told me that at one time.
Yes,
yeah.
we did Smoke on the Water and Fire in the Sky.
That was like advection fog.
Yeah,
Right.
I love that. Atmospheric river and fire hose of moisture.
Good old grapple.